Roseville, Michigan. It's probably about, how far is Roseville from Detroit? Like 10 minutes?
Yeah, like 15 minutes.
Yeah, about 15 minutes away from Detroit. But anyway, Roseville's the suburbs, and usually cheapest house you're gonna find in Roseville is probably like $120,000, $150,000, give or take, and that's gonna be a raggedy house. So we found one today, this morning, for 60. So I'm like, 60,000 in Roseville? I got to go see that one. I'm assuming it needs some type of structural work for it to be that cheap. But I don't know. We gonna see. Is that window open? Yes. Anyway, so we about to go see. Hopefully it's not. There ain't no structural issues and it just need a lot of work. But I still don't see why it would be that cheap. It don't make sense to me. Because it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, I believe. It's like 1,200 square feet. So we about to go check it out. Thinking here. Oh, what? You're stepping in the mold. Wipe your feet off before you get my car. Get up there. You see all that? Ooh-wee. Alright, cool. It's just a lot of work. I mean, for 60 though? In Roseville? This house will sell so fast for if I put like 60, 70 in it, 60,000. I mean, well, let me see what because this is pretty small. I don't see no upstairs. I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah, I likes the layout.
Yeah, is that something? Okay, so the furniture and stuff right there.
Oh God, stinks over there.
Stinks everywhere.
It smells terrible over here.
This must be the garage. Smell it in here. Man, it's a lot of drywall work. That's fake brick. Go ahead and close the door. Go ahead. I gotta let me see. Furnace probably need to be updated. Hot water tank, floor, countertop, cabinets, sink. I mean, I don't see that much unless I'm missing something. Let me see. I mean, it's typical stuff. I mean, is there another way to get? He said the ceiling upstairs is. I don't really see the crawl spaces or the entry to it. Anyway, this don't look like, but like, I can get this house renovated for the 40 ball, 20, 30 probably, or less. Oh, this is simple stuff. Let's go outside right quick. Let's sit there upstairs.
Yeah.
Tripping. Alright, go through here. Yeah, that's it. We just need a roof. I'm trying to split across. That's the garage. So we need a roof and gutters. Well, actually, gutters ain't that bad. These look newer. Well, so here's the crawl space. Obviously, I'm not going under there. But looks like you got some foundation problems on this side. Another space. Yeah, this is a good buy. Do the floor. This hardwood, about 3,000. It got new windows, so I ain't gotta worry about that. New paint. This is plaster here. That ain't nothing either. Let me come over here real quick. Do carpet in here. I don't know what happened there, but it needed a roof, so that's why I knew I was leaking. Fix all that. Yeah, man, this is an easy fix. I don't know, I'm surprised it's still on the market. Some super floors in here. Yeah, I'm thinking like carpet in each room. Boom, boom, boom. Carpet gonna be about 1, 2, 3. That's about 1,500, 2,000 at the most. The kitchen renovation, that's about maybe $5,000. So carpet, kitchen, 5, 2, 7. Bathroom, that's about 3,000. So that's 10. Paint the whole house. That's about. It's a small house, probably $5,000 maybe total. That's not even that much. Let's just say 5 including labor. So that's 15. Get a roof. That's probably like another 5. That's 20. And change all these lights, ceiling fans, doors. Yeah, I'm thinking like up. The electrical's updated. So I'm thinking like 27,000 at the most. Get this bad boy.
You need to add all of the
Gutters is straight. Gotta fix this step porch. That ain't nothing. That's probably $600 maybe. Gutters to replace. So yeah, I say 28,000.